Hello everyone and welcome to the Autopedia channel. In today's video we'll put head-to-head in a crash test 3 full electric big size SUVs. A German one, the BMW iX, a Korean one, the Kia EV9, and surprise, the Chinese BYD Tang. So let's get started. The latest released in our test is the Kia EV9, and the results shows that the Korean car manufacturer has done a very good job with his totally new full-size SUV, obtaining the highest child protection score with 88% protection, 1% more than the other two competitors, but at the same time falling on the last place on the adult protection with only 84% of protection, but still obtaining the full 5 stars EuroNCAP rating. Launched back in 2021, the oldest vehicle in our list is the BMW iX model, which with a 91% gets the first place for adult protection but the last place for vulnerable road users with a score of only 73%. The same as the other two vehicles, the BMW obtained the desired 5 stars, offering enough protection for all his passengers. The last but not the least is the new Chinese BYD Tang, which with a very low price tries to offer the same protection as his more mature and known rivals. Although he obtained the second place on adult protection, better than the Kia model, he falls on the last place on safety assist with a score of only 73%, but still obtaining the 5 stars protection rating. As a conclusion, we can say one thing: an almost unknown Chinese car manufacturer in Europe or US like BYD demonstrates that he can keep his head up in a crash test against traditional car manufacturers like BMW or Kia. And with that being said, thank you very much for watching our video till the end, and if you like it, please hit us with a like and subscribe to our channel for more new upcoming videos.